So here's how to add signature in PDF in iPhone. Start by opening the Acrobat application on your phone. As you can see, you are now in the Acrobat homepage. Here, you can view your recent and stored files. Go to the bottom panel and tap on Files. Here, tap on iPhone Files. Choose the file you want from here. You can now view this PDF file over here. Now, go to the bottom panel and tap on Fill and Sign. Then, tap on the signature icon at the bottom right corner. Here, select Add Signature. You can now add your signature over here. Once you're done, tap on Done at the top right corner. Tap anywhere over the PDF file to place the signature. Once you have placed your signature, tap on Done at the top left. You can now share this file if you want by tapping on the share icon at the top. Then, choose where you want to share it from the options below. And that's it. You can now easily add signature in PDF iPhone.